In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to your Shopify page. We'll walk through this inside the Shopify editor so you can follow along on your own store. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Online Store. Click that and then select Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks. Find the theme you're currently using and click the button that opens the theme editor. It may say customize or edit theme depending on your setup, but it will take you into the visual editor. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top of the screen for a drop-down menu that lets you choose which part of your store you're editing. By default, you might be on the home page or the product page. Open that drop-down, switch to pages, and then select the specific page where you want to add a new section. The preview on the right should update so you can see that page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all the sections that are currently on that page. To add something new, scroll to the bottom of that list and click Add Section. A panel will open with all the different section types available in your theme. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to add, such as an image banner, rich text block, multi-column layout, featured collection, contact form, slideshow, or even a custom liquid section if you need to add custom code. Click on the section type you want, and then confirm to add it to the page. It will appear in the list of sections on the left, and you'll see it in the preview on the right. You can change the order of your sections by clicking and dragging them up or down in that left-hand panel. This is an easy way to control what visitors see first and how your content flows down the page. To customize the new section, click directly on its name in the left panel. This opens the settings for that section, where you can upload images, edit headings and subheadings, change the text, adjust buttons, and tweak layout options like alignment and spacing. Take a moment to experiment so the section matches your branding and content. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Saving publishes those changes to your live page. That's all you need to add and customize sections on a Shopify page.